final. Bacau versus Bulilao, 38-42.
Pass to 34 to the corner. Fake. Attacking the basket. Sidestep kick out. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to 34. Now jersey number 24. Pass to 11. Wow! Wala lang ang sulod ka na. May sabasa. Pass break. Nakuha si jersey number 34. 2 points. Now jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 13. To the middle. Nabriyang niya kick out. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28 of the grass. 2 points. Now jersey number 5. Pass to 34. To 24 in the corner. To 19. Back to 34. Fake. To the corner. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Pass break to jersey number 13. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Get with the ball.
Aro.
Pass to jersey number 30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 11 to 24. Now jersey number 24. Pass break to 13. Out of bounds. Jersey number 34 to jersey number 5. Now it's dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 219 in the middle. Fake. Pull and drag and no good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 24. Now jersey number 24 is dribbling the ball. Pass to 28 to 13. Fake. Attacking the basket of the last 2 points. O tatlo avanse. Now jersey number 5 to jersey number 19. To jersey number 34. Fake. Kick out to jersey number 30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Now jersey number 19. No good. Nakuha sa jersey number 7. 3-point attempt. Balik sa anom ang Bazi. 48-42. Now jersey number 11. Attacking the basket. Layup. No good. Taway. Na-rebound sa jersey number 5. Jersey number 19 goes to count layup. 2 points.
50-42.
Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. Side step on the glass. Foul. Basket.
No good.
Now jersey number 5. Pass to 34. To jersey number 19. Fake. Side step. Pass to jersey number 7. Off the glass. 2 points.
52-44.
Now jersey number 24 with the ball.
8-point lead by
Pass to
Bacau.
jersey number 19. To jersey number 28. Pull up the ball. Foul! Basket down! Foul! Jersey number...
One shot by Arroyo. No good.
Bonus throw no good. Now jersey number 5.
Aro. Dribbling the ball.
Pass to jersey number 34. 2-point attempt.
By Paskin. 55-46.
Now jersey number 24.
9-point lead by Bacau.
Pass to 19. Follow up. All the last 2 points.
Basket by Arroyo.
Tito Banse, 55-48.
55-48.
Now jersey number 19, 2-point ball.
Clarito. Paro.
Jersey number 24, bang, 2 points. Natiga ulo, sakit. Tamarang sa wire.
57-48.
Baida. Jersey number 19, attacking the basket. Yeah. Now jersey number 5. Behind the back. Attacking the basket. Side step. No good. Remember jersey number 28. Now jersey number 24. No good. Remember jersey number 19.
Rebound by
Pass to 24 to jersey number 5. To jersey number 7.
Yukariza.
To 34, fake.
Askin.
To
Tocaro.
jersey number 24, fake. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by jersey number 7. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to 24, now jersey number 13.
Villanueva.
Now the next steal by jersey number 5. There's a whistle.
First throw. No good. Last throw. 1
One
out of 2 by
Ball position.
Kenji Caro. 58-48, 10-point lead
Now
by
jersey
Macau.
number 5.
Caro.
10 to shoot. 3-point attempt.
Pariza. Basket. 53-50, 48.
Nagbalik sa 3 ang Avance. Now jersey number 11. Pass to 19.
Remember.
Number 16. Pass to 11.
Lock.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Martinez.
3-point attempt. Yes, sir.
By Martinez.
3 points.
51-61.
To jersey number 7. To jersey number 19. Pass to 34. Back to 7. Fake. Back to jersey number 34. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 5. 10 to shoot.
Caro.
No good. No, 2 points.
Caro. 63-51. 12-point lead by Bacau.
Now jersey number 16.
Militar.
Pass to jersey number 13. To jersey number 11. To 29. 3-point attempt. No good. And rebound taken by jersey number 4. Pass to 7. Pass to jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5 attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 7. Fake.
Ariza.
Attacking side step. Kick out. 3-point attempt.
Basket. No good.
And rebound taken by jersey number 3. Pass. 10 to shoot.
Clarito.
Jersey number 19, attacking the basket.
Basket by Clarito.
Balik sa 14.
55-41.
Now jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 13. Attacking the basket.
Villanueva.
To 11. Forward jumper, no good.
Good.
Rebound taken by jersey number 19. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. Pass break. Ito, taway-taway. Easy basket. Bisa is naman
By
save.
Caro.
67-51. Bisa is naman save.
Eborod. Bacau.
Ay, hindi lang grabe ba? Isa mo mo. Jersey number 24.
51-67. Bacau.
Pass to 13.
Remember.
To jersey number 28. Three. Attacking the basket. Pull away jumper.
Basket by
Bang!
Arroyo. 53-67.
O 14. Now jersey number 5. Screen by jersey number 28. Spin move. Pick out to jersey number 7. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Deflected out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 30 to 24 to the corner. 10 to shoot. Step back. 3 points. No good. Ilagabon follow-up. 2
Basket by
points by
Yupariza.
jersey number 28. Balik sa 16. Now jersey number 29. Double click. Steal. Jersey number 7 to 28. Pass to jersey number 5. To 7. Back to jersey number 5. Attacking the basket. Foul. Offensive foul. Now jersey number 24. Pass to 19.
Sigan.
3-point attempt. No good. Out of bounds. Jersey number 19. Spin move. No good. The rebound by jersey number 24. 55. 50.
50 seconds remaining. Caro.
Jersey number 5 to jersey number 7.
Marisa.
Turn to shoot. Attacking the basket. Turn around, no good. 30. Jersey number 11 kick out to jersey number 7. 3-point attempt. No good. And rebound to Golota. Way 2 points.
Basket.
20.
55-69. 20 seconds.
15. 10. 5. Foul. Basket count.
Bonus shot. 5 seconds remaining.
Wala na sa bonus shot.
5.
O 3-point attempt. Take mo ng sunod. Wala na time.
The third quarter.
Time expired. End of third quarter. Score 71-55 in favor of Team Bacau.
Team Bacau.